Hi, good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about probiotics. Today I want to talk about probiotics because people think that, oh, let me have that kombucha, let me have my probiotic pill, let me have a bowl of curd, and it should be all good. But we need to understand that the human body and the gut doesn't work that way. So very quickly, in your gut, you have microbes. You have good microbes and you have bad microbes. Now, the good microbes help you digest your food. So before we decide on how to get the good bacteria in the colony growing and flourishing, let's talk about the bad bacteria and what happens with bad bacteria. What keeps your bad microbes happy? What keeps them growing? Sugar, white sugar, junk food, processed food, highly processed food, genetically modified food, foods that are high in soy, especially genetically modified. These are foods that your bad microbes want. So what I'm going to share with you is non-dairy, and you can make this at home. Your grandmother probably made it for you while you were a kid. So let's get straight to it. I call it the Great Indian Probiotic. You need like a large glass jar or a ceramic jar. I'm going to post this in the notes post the video. You need about 4 to 5 carrots, but I prefer to use 3 to 4 medium-sized beetroots. Get really dark red beetroots. So you have beetroots, you have a tablespoon of salt. It could be rock salt, it could be pink salt, it could be black salt, and you have a tablespoon of crushed mustard seed. You're going to take a tablespoon of these mustard seeds and crush them. Okay? You're going to fill up a liter jar or a liter ceramic jar with water. You're going to add a tablespoon of salt. You're going to add a tablespoon of the crushed mustard seeds, and you're going to chop the beetroot into juliennes, into like thin finger bits, and put it in this water. And you cover this with a lid or a thin muslin or a cheesecloth. You keep it for about 5 to 6 days, and every third day you take a wooden spoon and you just stir the contents together. After 6 to 7 days, you want to taste it. If it's tangy and sour, your probiotic drink is ready. You strain it, you pour it out. You have a glass of this liquid every day, and the beetroot could be eaten like a pickle with your normal Indian food. There's also another very simple one where you take leftover cooked rice in the night and you just soak it in a little bit of water overnight. In the morning, you strain the water out, you add like a little tempering of curry leaves, mustard seeds, and a little bit of chili, and you eat like that little small bowl. It could be just 3 tablespoons of rice, and that's a fantastic probiotic which is dairy-free again. You do this and I can promise you, you change the health of your gut. When you change the health of your gut, there are so many beautiful things that are going to happen in your body. Your skin's going to look better. Your hair's going to look better. Your energy levels are going to improve because your cells get the right nutrients. If you have any inflammation in the body caused because of autoimmune issues, thyroid problems, joint pains, that tends to get better as well when we clean up our gut and let the gut function the way it's supposed to be. Everyone have a great day. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, and breathe deep.